I guess maybe I should go against Callie since then you could go against Gura, the loser. Well, you haven't even played, but
Okay.
Legos. These Legos are not feeling good.
the ancient ones are here. Oh God!
Censor it.
All right, yeah, Callie, you can just relax there. Okay.
Oh my God, the horror. That's what I want to see. I want to see that. That's so beautiful.
Don't worry, the clippers will get.
It's like you're being exercised. Is that the word?
Yeah, exercise.
Exercising and exorcising. Wait, it's being released. Don't worry.
She's peeling her skin off. I'm liberated.
Free from the skin bag.
Together.
Oh yeah, I need to interview the winner. Clap it more. Oh.
I doubt it's working.
It went in front of it.
Oh, okay.
Just missed.
But you got him though, because you showed them on the hole. You got him.
Not say suspicious.
Well, excuse me. I'm a literal person. I should be a literature writer person.
I'm free. She's free.
Should I? Don't worry, we'll
My
move.
thighs?
No, don't worry.
My
Should I?
thighs?
Oh no, it's fine.
Hold on, can I?
Oh.
Bicycle.
It's a little. Yeah. It's going. It's just your feet.
Bicycle.
What are you doing under the table?
Nothing. Just playing.
We're back though.
Might take
At
a
least
moment.
some of us are back. Gura will
haven't
join
brought Alton.
shortly. Oh yeah, sorry. It's okay. I went to the void to.
All right, boss, you should be in.
Hey,